Introduction to Custom Templates.
Creating your own templates in Microsoft Word and PowerPoint can save you time and ensure consistency in your documents and presentations. Instead of starting from scratch each time, you can set up your preferred styles, layouts, and elements, then reuse them easily whenever you need to begin a new project.
Designing a template in Word.
Open Microsoft Word and start a new document. Customize the font styles, headings, spacing, and page layout to match your needs. Add any text, graphics, or placeholders you want on future documents. These settings will form the foundation for all new documents you create using your template.
Saving your Word template.
When your design is set, go to File, Save As. Choose the location and set the file type to Word template.docs. Give your template a clear name. This saves your design so you can select and use it for any new document, keeping your style consistent every time.
Creating a PowerPoint template.
For PowerPoint, start a new presentation and open the View Slide Master tab. Modify fonts, colors, background, and layouts in Slide Master view. Add placeholders, logos, or footers you want on each slide. This sets the default look for all presentations based on your custom template.
Saving and using your PowerPoint template.
After designing, close Slide Master and go to File, Save As. Choose PowerPoint template POTX as the file type and save your template. Next time you create a presentation, select your template for a ready-made, professional style that matches your preferences.
Tips for managing templates.
Store your templates in a dedicated folder for easy access. You can share them with colleagues so everyone uses consistent styles. Update your templates as your branding or preferences change. With these steps, you'll always have a polished starting point for your Word documents and PowerPoint presentations.